In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Vimeo video player. If you've ever wanted to give your Vimeo videos a personalized touch, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps to get your video player looking just the way you want it, all within just a few minutes. First things first, Vimeo offers a variety of basic customization options directly in their settings. These tweaks can really enhance the look and feel of your video embeds, ensuring they align with your brand or personal style. So let's dive into how you can access and modify these settings. To start, head over to the Vimeo website. Once there, log into your account if you aren't already. This is essential because you'll need access to your account settings to customize your videos. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you'll find most of the tools you need for customizing your video player. Within the settings menu, navigate to the video settings tab. Here you'll discover a range of options that can be adjusted to your preference. Under video settings, you'll see various categories that you can explore. App defaults, for example, let you define how your videos behave and appear by default. Here you can ensure consistency across all your video uploads. Privacy settings are another crucial area. Vimeo provides options for you to choose who can see your videos, giving you control over their accessibility. Comment settings will allow you to manage interactions on your videos. You can choose whether people can comment, and if so, what kind of comments you'll allow. Another powerful feature is the embed presets. This feature enables you to tweak the colors of your player, add your own logo, and even opt for domain level privacy. This means you can restrict where your videos can be embedded, which is a fantastic way to control your content distribution. Now, if you're interested in getting more detailed, Vimeo also lets you capture email addresses through your video player, providing a valuable way to engage with viewers or build your mailing list. Lastly, for those of you who love to keep things on brand, you can use the player logos option. This feature allows you to add custom logos to your embedded video player, ensuring that your brand is always front and center when someone views your content. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can customize your Vimeo video player to make it truly yours. Whether it's for your personal uploads or your business, these settings offer a great deal of flexibility and control. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide makes your Vimeo experience even better. Enjoy personalizing your videos and making your player's aesthetics work for you.